Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to the 12 Crafts of Christmas. This is another cute little ornament or, I don't know, display thing. And it's just made out of pipe cleaners and they're super cute, I think. And this is hardly even a tutorial just because it's so simple to do. But I thought that maybe somebody, hadn't thought of this or didn't know how to do it or whatever, but it just takes two colors of pipe cleaner. I'm using red and white because I'm making it look like a candy cane. You could do green and red or green and white, whatever you want for the candy cane colors, and then you literally just twist these two pipe cleaners together. And I'm just turning my wrist so I have them separated in my right hand, and I'm just turning my wrist as I hold them together and just kind of twist them as I go down the length of the pipe cleaner. And if you want to make it a smaller twist, then you just twist more. So like this is a longer one and these are smaller. You could even do this if you prefer, where you just take them and turn them around, whichever you like, whatever method works for you. This would even be a cute card embellishment or something like that. I'm twisting these a little bit more just so that it'll be an even twist throughout the length of the pipe cleaner. And you could, these are, I don't know, standard size pipe cleaners I think, but you could make a big candy cane like that if you wanted to, but I like the smaller ones better, so I'm going to take my wire cutters and I am actually just going to cut this, I think, in half. We'll just try it that way. The last one I did with the glitter pipe cleaners, and I did two and then I had a little extra. I didn't cut it in half. I didn't do that first. So this time I'm thinking I'm just going to cut it in half. And then I like to bend over the ends because they get a little pointy and they can be a little hurty if you can poke yourself with them or whatever. So then I just fold this over, and you can't really even tell that I did anything, but the wires in there aren't poking out. And the bottom one, or the other one, the one that you didn't cut, it's not so bad, so I don't even really worry about that one. Actually, this one still does have one that's poking. So I'm just going to take this and just kind of move it around. There we go. And then you can wrap this around something if you wanted to, or you can just try to eyeball it and you're just making a cane. I mean, this is really simple. But it's really cute. And you could put a string at the top to make it an ornament, or what we do is we just hang them on the tree like this, just like if it were a real candy cane. So you don't have to put a hook or anything on it. It is a hook in itself, so you can just easily hook it right up on a branch. And I am just going to tie a little cute candy striped bow with this baker's twine. If I can get it. There we go. Actually, that looks really cute just like that. So that's as easy as it is. Really simple. Again, I'm just making sure the wire isn't pokey. And then, like I said, if you wanted to wrap it around something, you certainly could. Of course, I'm still playing with it even though I wrapped it around something. There we go. And then I'm going to tie a green string on this one. Maybe I'll just do a little knot instead of a bow. Just because I had this little piece left over. There we go. So I know that was really easy, but I thought I'd share it just in case. And I think they're really cute, and it might be something that you've done before but you have just forgotten. I like it in the glittery one too. I think they're just all really cute. And I even like them without a bow, just plain little candy canes. This one's just a baby. He's cute. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.